Hello my paper crafters, welcome to this month's edition of Paper and Joy. This month the theme is floral, so we are making a card which has a nice floral theme to it. There's a variety of papers that are available, and yeah, it's got the nice picture. It looks sort of like a gift with the twine and then also the wax seal on there, and then inside the card there's our sentiment. So something a little bit different this month. The sentiment is on the inside and it's a nice little feature again with that floral paper. So let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your packs you will get a craft paper card base, craft paper envelope, a piece of floral paper. So there's a range of paper that I've selected. Hopefully you like the ones I've selected for you. I think they're all beautiful and can't wait to see pictures of all the cards that are made this month because I think all the papers are delightful. I hope you enjoy the one I've given you. A piece of cotton twine, a wax seal stamp with like a floral design, a sprig of something or other on there, and sentiment, so you can choose which one you like, and a little roll, hopefully that survived in the post okay, of some double-sided tape. Okay. You will also need a piece of scrap paper for gluing on, a pair of scissors, glue stick, a pencil and a ruler. Okay, let's get crafting. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is grab our cotton twine and a pair of scissors and just cut this in half. So just put the ends together, find the middle, oops, and give it a snip. Okay. And then we're going to grab our piece of floral paper, turn it over and get one of your pieces of twine and put it along in the center that way. And then you'll also need your little piece of double-sided tape. Just going to snip a bit off that just to secure that, sort of relatively close to the edge there, and then pull it taut and we'll do the other end as well. Just holds it in place when we're trying to stick it on the card. And then with the other piece of twine across horizontally, and again secure that with a little piece of double-sided tape, not too much because we do need some for the front to secure the wax seal. So just sort of this sort of, whatever that is, 2 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters. Okay. So we've got that there. Now we can secure it into the center. Again with another piece of tape. Sticky stuff. There we go. Alright, so just taut, but not obviously that you're bending the paper. Just nicely in the middle there. Now you can peel the layer off, the protective layer off the double-sided tape, because that will then help secure the next bit on. But we're also going to grab, just have enough there. Oh, this is stuck. Final piece might be a bit tricky. Mine's just stuck to itself, but that's okay because we're going to stick it, then the wax seal is going to stick on top of that, so that's all right. Just so we can gently stick that one down and this one, and then put the final one on top, because we're going to stick the wax seal on with that. Alright, now you can, if you like, leave the daggy bits sort of hanging out, or you can snip them off so that they stay hidden under the wax seal. I'm going to snip mine off, just a little bit neater. Okay, and then again pull the backing piece off your tape. There we go. Grab your wax seal. And yeah, something different, something nice we haven't done before. Stick that onto your tape. It's going to be a little bit raised, obviously, because the twine's there, and it's got a bit of give because it's wax. Just try to secure that on. Okay, and then we will grab our card and we'll stick this on. Okay, so for this bit you'll need your card base, the floral piece of paper we've just done, and the glue stick, and of course your gluing mat of scrap paper. Alright, so grab your glue, turn over your floral piece. Now you can also now peel off your little backing pieces, because that will help stick to the card as well. And we're also going to put some glue on. One more piece. Okay, and then glue just to those corner edges as well that aren't covered off by the sticky tape. So, there we go. Make sure it's all nice and wet glue edge, and pop it into the center. Press it down. Alright, and now we can do the inside. Okay, the first thing we're going to do for the inside is choose a sentiment and cut that out. So you have best wishes for you, happy birthday on your special day, or thinking of you. I might do happy birthday, I think. Right, so you can roughly just cut that out, and then find it easier to hold if it's a smaller piece. And then cut inside. There's a grey line that I've printed, so that's your cutting line, so cut inside of that, so we don't want to see that. So nice, easy straight cutting. So it's nice and neat. And no grey showing. There we go. Okay. The next thing we need is our card base and the little strip of paper that came in your kit. So what we're going to do, this is a bit long, so we're just going to size that up quickly. So put it to the center edge, and then we're just going to cut along the outside edge there, because we're going to do a little pointed edge, so it doesn't need to be too neat. And if you turn that over, grab your pencil and your ruler now, and just mark in, I'm going to check that size, yeah, so mark in 1 centimetre from each end. the center of that is 1 centimeter as well, so just draw a little mark. I can draw that out to the corners. I'm just going to cut that little triangle edge out. Makes the sentiment just look a little bit more special. A little bit of an extra feature. There we go. Okay, so we're going to glue that now. So grab all your glue stuff. Okay, so pop some glue on the back of your sentiment. And then pop it in the middle, making sure that your floral piece is the right way up. Some have it up and a down. Oops. It's a very hot day today when I'm filming this. My glue's dried already. I have the fan on, which is not helping for crafting. Alright, let's try that again. That's a bit better. Alright, there we go. Let's try to center that. And then we can put this into our card. That'd be a nice little inside feature. So grab some glue and put that on there, on the back. Trying not to let it dry out. And there we go. So we have a floral feature card, which looks like a nice little gift. So a nice birthday card or best wishes card or thinking of you card, whatever sentiment of choice you have chosen for yours. And as I said, I would love to see pictures of what you've done with yours, because I think all the florals are beautiful. So yeah. If you can share some pictures in the Facebook group, that would be awesome, or Instagram, or whatever your choice of social media is. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed making that, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.